Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make retro gaming easy. First, let's explore the simplest methods to dive into classic video games without much hassle. We'll cover options that don't require deep technical knowledge or expensive equipment. Our goal is to get you playing your favorite old-school titles quickly and efficiently. Get ready to revisit those cherished gaming memories with minimal effort and maximum fun. Next, let's talk about emulators, which are software programs that mimic old game consoles. There are many excellent options available, some free and some paid, each supporting a wide range of classic systems. You can find emulators for nearly any platform, from the NES to the PlayStation 1. Remember to source your game ROMs legally, often from public domain archives, to ensure a smooth and ethical experience. Now, let's consider some easy hardware solutions. A small, affordable computer like a Raspberry Pi can be transformed into a powerful retro gaming machine. You can connect it to your TV using a standard HDMI cable, just like any modern device. For an authentic experience, consider using USB controllers designed to replicate classic gamepads. This setup provides a fantastic way to enjoy hundreds of games with minimal fuss. Finally, let's look at enhancing your retro gaming experience. Dive into online communities and forums. They're treasure troves of game recommendations, tips, and troubleshooting advice. Experiment with your emulator settings to fine-tune graphics and performance for each game. And for those moments when you're not gaming, why not dive into a great book? Check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy gaming and happy reading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.